Hey guys, so this is the water material that we will be making, and I'm going to hide this one. So this is just a plain mesh, and create a new special material, and in the flag you need to enable the transparent so that our material will be transparent when we lower the alpha value. So change the albedo color to something bluish, and also reduce the alpha value. The alpha value control the transparency. The lower the value, the more transparent our material will be. So lower it a bit. I think this is good, and change the roughness to lower value like 0.02 because water is very reflective. And also add enable the normal map. We're going to load our wave pattern. This is normal map, by the way, obviously. It's too strong right now, so I change the value to 0.05, so we will get more subtle wave. And in the UV one, change the scale to 3 by 3 to get more wave. And our water is already looking good, and to make it move you need to add animation player. Create a new animation, so I name it water movement, and change the time to 5 seconds. So while the animation tab still open, click the plane mesh, and in the material we are going to animate the UV offset. So create our first keyframe, and then move the slider to 5 seconds and change the X value to 1, and then create a new animation. Also you need to enable the looping here, and when we run the animation will be loop instead of restart all over again. So the animation quite fast. You can go to the animation player node and change the speed to 0.4. The movement a bit slower now. And to make the water more believable, you can also enable the proximity fade. This value it simulate the depth in the water, as you can see here. So this is the water material, very simple, without using the shader. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.